What's up, everybody? It's been a while. Just want to get everybody on board with what I'm doing and try to bring you along, honestly. With the way AI is going, you could basically build whatever you want. And I'm living proof of that. Although it's been a crazy 72 hours, basically. I've had projects up and running to them failing and me losing everything to me getting pissed and deleting everything. And right now, I'm back to where I started on Bolt.new. I've evolved from that and grew into another project where I found Cursor, and from there, found V0. And there's just so many things to name. I've even written down so many websites that I always want to remember that I'm locked in with. The point of it all is anybody could be a programmer right now, and I just want to kind of show everybody what I'm doing. I hope I don't give away any usable information. Like, look at right now, I have stuff running on the screen. I wonder if any of my keys were in there. Anything I show is vulnerabilities. So let's just go ahead and everybody, this is what I'm into. This is my newest idea is to get a tip tracking app. Basically, so bartenders and servers around the world can track their tips and just get a nice little visual. This is my idea right here. This is tiptracker.ai, and I want you along the journey from me because I'm going to keep on attacking this project until I find the perfect products to use, like programs and services, and I'm going to keep attacking this project until I have a real product where I can be out bicycling on the beach in Florida where I still have people paying a monthly subscription to TipTracker because we're going to utilize AI to guaranteeing them making more money. Just based on what they've made in the past, I can guarantee you'll make more money in the future because of this app. And I use LLMs all the time for analyzing numbers. So that's why, and I track my girlfriend's tips. So that's why. So we'll enter it, and it's just going to be a nice UI user interface with a beautiful calendar. You can click on the day, say you made $500 that day. It goes right on the calendar. $400 the next day, and stuff like that. You know, and the more you get in there, the better the app is for you, because you can eventually go to the upgrade section, still have your numbers there, click on some of these features, and you know, you can apply your highest days. You can see which day you made the most amount of money, and these will all get better in time. It's just let's say you want to make $3,000 this month in tips. By what I typed in up here, you are already 48% of the way there. Hard to believe, right? 500, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So yeah, really, you're already 50, almost 50% of there. So look at that. That makes us happy. So I already got the toggle in for looking at it light and dark mode. This is what the code is, you know. This is what I have going on. But I've failed a lot of times throughout this. So I got a lot to learn. Right now, I went back to Bolt.new just because it's a crazy good stack developer, but I wasn't, and it connects to Supabase, and it might even connect to Netlify. But other than that, some of the major things I'll just mention some big programs you can use, just so everybody, if you're starting with me, if you're looking into this, if you're trying to build anything, get into the LLMs. I even like Grok on Twitter. Grok, start using that for code. Just tell it, make me a website about balloons and facts about balloons, and there you go. It'll write that code out. You copy that code, put it into some sort of preview like JSBin. You can see what it looks like. Let's just even do this right now on video. Just something friendly for the users. Let's just show you that you can make a website right now. I'm going to do this in the next 2 minutes. It's 1:30 and 12 seconds. Make me HTML code for a website that has balloons all over the screen and nothing but balloon facts every time you click and pop a balloon. Look at all those spelling errors. All right. I'm going to open up another website right now while that code writes. I'm going to open up JSBin, click on HTML. Oh, look at, here's my website the way it used to be. Oh, I miss it. I miss it. Excellent, excellent. So let's get to the HTML. Delete it. Let's go copy the code from Grok. I bet you it's already done. This thing hustles code. We'll copy that, bring it right back to JSBin. Paste it. There you go. There's your website full of even moving. Are they moving? Moving balloons that you could click. Balloons can reach heights of over 10,000 feet. 100,000 feet. First man-made balloon. Looks like the facts go a little bit quicker. So that's exactly like when you would go back to Grok and say, the facts are too quick. Help me out. All right. Check it out. Enjoy. That's my first video. Join me. It's going to be tiptracker.ai. I own that domain for the next 2 years, so I'm going to focus on that and do it up. Wish me luck. Come for the ride with me. I'm Austin Rapp on all platforms, and definitely going to focus on this. I just feel like it's a good time to enter the scene, and if in 2 years I have an app or a website that tracks tips in a nice, good-looking way, functions with you can sign in and people have their memory of the tips they've tracked, and it gives them information about the numbers they put in. That's the goal. It could be easy for some of you who are web developers, but for me, I know nothing. So I'm going to do this with knowing nothing. I'm going to struggle. It's already been a hell of 2 weeks just even entering this space. But follow along. Thanks, everybody.